Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to mute all sounds on this device. Simply go to settings and tap on the option accessibility. Tap on hearing enhancements. If you scroll down, simply here you can see the option mute all sounds. If you tap on this one, if you want to mute all sounds like the audio sound, video sound, the system sound, ringtone, alarm sound like that, just turn on this option. You can see turn off all sounds on your phone, including calls, alerts, and media. Actually, this feature completely silences all phone sound. It is useful for meetings, study time, or sensitive hearing users. So simply in this way we can mute all sounds in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.